Hey, good morning, folks. Yeah, so making some progress here in the Japanese garden. So what I'm going to focus on today is go ahead and cover up the hose and the electrical wire, which eventually have a solar panel up on the little man cave area. And probably if I have the opportunity to go to the river and collect some decorative stones, so I can kind of cover up this area right here. And later I also want to add some down on the waterfall. And I'm still toying with the idea about if I'm going to put gravel down here. Originally I was thinking about putting stones just like that all along, but someone commented about the Zen garden idea, rake it. And quite frankly, I don't know why I did not think about it. Then I started thinking about it. Yeah, that would be really cool in this entire area right here where I put this this material to keep the weeds from growing. I have to do a better job at securing that down. But for now, I'm going to focus on that and get this going. It's just this already as it is. It's really nice listening to the sound. But I want to do a better job of covering up where I put some fresh concrete down on the waterfall area. Hopefully you enjoy. Come along and let's see how this turns out. Really beautiful maple leaves. Floats. This little koi fish floats. And the little turtles do too. There's my koi fish pond. So water will be coming down, trickling down this way into there to keep this full. Hey, look. That little koi fish floats. That's my koi fish pond. And the turtles. I need to buy a couple more. They're the ones that were on the... Oh, I think down at the Kentai, that really cute store, yeah. Need to buy a couple more. They float! Okay, anyway. So water trickling down. Fill this one up. So water trickling down. So it fills it up. Boom. So actually, so if it hits both, so right here, there's no usually. Think outside of the box. I mean, it has to be with a good taste, but it's okay to deviate a little bit, okay? This is a Mexican American working on a Japanese garden in rural Japan. So let this guy think outside of the box, usually. But okay, what were you gonna say about usually? They're smaller? Well, I'm not necessarily going to use these. I'm not sure. I just grabbed these. And I still need to burn them. Yeah, I mean, I need to make some sort of brace. But would that be too much? This. I don't think that's too much. You think it's too much? So the thing is, it needs to bang on the stone so it can make this sound. And then I also needed to keep on filling up the water basin, right? And just keep it fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and drive over to the river, probably down to the Nishika River, which is not that far from here, and see if I can gather up a couple nice decorative rocks so I can cover up this area right here and down the waterfall area. So yeah, let's if you don't mind coming along, let's go see if we get some rocks. That ought to do it for today. I tried to collect, well, obviously the pretty ones that will kind of show the character once they get wet, and also somewhat flat and smooth. So let's go ahead and head on back home and put them around the garden. All right, so that ought to do it for this weekend. Thank you very much for following us along, and if you have any comments or suggestions as I go along here, please let me know. I still have multiple months of doing work around here, so don't feel that I'm not listening. For example, as I mentioned before, I believe I'm just going to go ahead and use some pebbles. And actually, when I was driving back from the river, I was thinking that I can probably go out there and sift some pebbles out. So let's see. And so soon I'll be working on the bamboo water fountain Shishi Odoshi right here, and that should be coming soon. All right, folks, if you again, if you like what you see, please hit subscribe, like, and share, and follow our journey as we live here in the countryside of Japan. And we renovated this former Akiya vacant house, and now I'm working on the Japanese garden. All right, have a great day. Bye.